Falls at Niagara Falls, starting from the Canadian side. Over in the distance are the Horseshoe Falls. We'll get up close to them. You can see a boat kind of lost in the mist up there right now. These falls are on the American side. Here we go. Maybe when Donald Trump stops canceling budget, the Americans will finish that bridge. Years ago, I went on a cruise called Maid of the Mist, or Maiden of the Mist. This is the same idea, just starting from the other side of the border. Yep, we sure are getting misty here. We could probably even go closer if we wanted to. Although we'd probably hit that duck. Here we are at Niagara Falls, looking at the American side. Hey, wave to the people. Here we are coming up on the Horseshoe Falls at Niagara Falls. Alright, we're getting closer to the Horseshoe Falls. We're going to get lost in those mists in just a moment. Going deeper. Yeah, getting quite a bit of wind and spray. We're all in our cheapo rain ponchos. People are battening down. Gosh, when I did this tour years ago, they gave us heavy-duty rain slickers. Now we have cheap shit trash bags on us. Ooh, not sure if you can see anything through this video right now. Not sure if you can even hear me over the roar of the falls. And we're gonna get wetter. Here we are in the midst below the Horseshoe Falls at Niagara. You can see the cliff right above us. We're looking at the Canadian side here. This is the Canadian side of the Horseshoe Falls. Getting pounded by a lot of spray here. This is great. Behind the Horseshoe Falls.